Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can track your CNfans order. So guys, if you purchase order or if you make order on your this platform, and if you want to track order, what you have to do guys, just follow me in the steps. For example, you have the orders and make it on this website. What you have to do, go to this profile icon and go to my account, and from my account go to Parcel here. After that guys, from Parcel you find all your order here, and you can track your order, and you will see your any place and anytime your order here. You find this option. If your order has been shipped, you find here on this option shipped, and from all this, click on this, you find order here guys, and you find all the details about your order. This is how you can do guys, and I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content. And if you have any problem guys, you can contact and you can reach support, and you can ask the support about your tracking option. As you can see here, you will guide you, and you will give you the ID on your order, and you will give you all information. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.